And so it begins, another adventure. In most adventures, we always say it's about the journey. While that's true, in this video, it's about the journey as well as the destination. I am setting out to find the best table for one that I've ever sat at, and I want to take you along with me for the journey. We build these rigs for many different reasons. For me, it's all about getting out there, however that may be. Sometimes I like to hit the toughest trails, and sometimes I just want to take a leisurely drive. What's important is having a vehicle that's able to get you where you want to go. The Lexus GX platform is as capable as any vehicle you will find. Mine is a 2013 GX460 Premium. While I've made many modifications to this vehicle, that's not what we're here to talk about today. Today, I want to take you on a journey. A journey that gets you out there with me. Lets you know how it feels to just get away. While this video will not be very long, I hope just for a moment it gets you away too. And I found my table for one. The best restaurant that I've ever visited. It's nothing like being out here in the open. It's just a feeling that it's hard to describe unless you're out here. The silence, the vastness, there's nothing like it. As with all adventures, this one too must come to an end. It's time to pack it up and head home. But if you've stuck around this long, please consider liking, commenting, subscribing, and ringing that bell. That way you will be notified when new videos are uploaded. See you next time. Lex Vader out.